That's good stuff.
Hi. Could you look at my radio?
For you? No.
Of course we can.
Hey!
What's the problem?
Just the volume dial, I think.
Not a problem at all by the sounds of it. Right, Honk?
Sorry about my colleague. Good at sweeping floors and ruining perfect mornings, but fixing is not her forte. This'll need new parts and a total rebuild.
Really?
Yeah. When did you last give this a service?
A service? It's just a radio.
What? It's never been serviced? Oh boy, okay, what day is it? Okay, look, come back end of Thursday. I'll throw in a full service, but please bring it back every 6 months from now on. Okay?
Yes, of course. Thanks a lot.